This is a remote speaker mic set for Baofeng or Kenwood radios. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $20. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinion remains my own. So in the box, we get the speaker mic itself, as well as this little clip here that can snap into the back of this guy. So I believe this guy will go in like that, and that thing will go click. And now you have the ability to attach it to a lapel, shoulder, that type of thing. So this just has a push to talk button, and it has a speaker built in. Guy at this end has kind of a Baofeng standard, also used by the Kenwood speaker mic combo jack with the small and the large. So I just plug that into my K6. It works just fine.
Channel mode.
Alright, so I heard the speaker or the voice from the radio come out over that guy.
KR4 EIY testing.
Alright, so the volume of this guy is plenty good. KR4 EIY testing. Audio coming out sounds good too. So yeah, it plugs in well, works well. If you need a remote speaker mic combo, either to walk around with or maybe in a vehicle, this guy looks like it's going to work really well. Now from a button standpoint, it works pretty well. Feels, you know, it's not like a ka-thunk, ka-thunk. It's more of a clicky-clicky, but it has a decent amount of kind of tactile feedback of when you push that thing. You can kind of hear the clicking noise there. And if you don't want the clip here, upward-facing clip, it's not too difficult to pull that out. You just put your finger in there and push that down. I kind of wish they had a you know, the round peg hanger is an option here. It's designed to be worn, but I could see potentially also wanting to mount this on the dash in a vehicle. So this outside metal here, I think is stainless steel. It might be aluminum. I think it's stainless steel though. However, the bit here, the rivet that holds it together, and this bit on the back, and that bit there look to be steel. So if you get it wet, you might have some rust going on there. It doesn't claim to be waterproof either. This guy's mostly plastic. There's a couple of screws there, so I suspect you really shouldn't take it out in the rain. Here's the markings on the back. It says speaker microphone, CEFCC, UKCA, something with an E. Don't throw it away in the trash. Also, if you have one of these micro uSDX radios, they also use the Kenwood Baofeng style mic speaker connections on the back, so it will plug into one of those pretty nicely too. There's enough room back by the power switch for that to still plug in.